Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 60 of our Great Tour of the Famous series. This time we returned to Parañaque and again visited Manila Memorial Park, located along Sucat Road, in search of a veteran actor of the 60s to late 1980s. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of Dindo Fernando here at Manila Memorial Park. Located at the eastern side of the park, we found the Chua Surban Mausoleum, the final resting place of the award-winning original Sampaguita Pictures actor. Dindo Fernando was born Jose Tacorda Chua Surban in November 1940 from Birac, Catanduanes. He was best remembered in his role in 1979 movie Ikaw at ang Gabi and in 1980 Langis sa Tubig, where he won Best Actor awards in Gawad Urian and in Famas, respectively. Fernando was part of the 10 stars of 66 introduced by Sampaguita Pictures, including brothers Ramil and Pipito Rodriguez, Bert Leroy, Rosemary Sonora, Gina Pareño, and many more. Fernando has 130 films and TV credits as actor from 1961 to 1987. Some of his film appearances include 1963 Dance-O-Rama with Jose Marie and Susan Roses.
Ayun sabi.
1970 Maharlika, an international film starring Paul Burke and Vic Silayan.
Show them.
Please. I was looking for Goodwin. I just killed the Japanese and they're looking for me.
If we find out he's been lying, he's dead. Pag nalaman namin nagsisinungaling ka, ako yayari sa'yo. Naintindihan mo?
Oo.
1974 Fe Esperanza Caridad with Nora Honor.
Too much for me. Mukhang you made it, Tony. You have to pay the sea. Kano ba yan, Tony? 2,000? Pasok ko na. Oh. What do you have? Street. No good. Full house. Wala nang kasi, pwedeng check it. May phone na ba yan?
Hey, hindi mo dapat sabihin kay Tony yan. Hindi mo yata kilala ang asawa niya. Si Fe Amor.
1980 Langis at Tubig with Vilma Santos and Ami Austria, where he won Best Actor Award from Famas.
Wala akong karapatang gawin sa akin to. I'm jobless. Mapapatawad kita. Bukas makaluway, magiging ina ka rin. Mahal kita.
Mahal mo siya.
Mahal kita, mahal ko siya.
Higit mo siya mahal.
Mahal ko kayong dalawa.
1982 Gano Kadalas ang Minsan with Vilma Santos and Hilda Coronel.
Gusto mo ba ang batang ito?
Of course, he's my son.
Yun lang gusto kong marinig. Wala yun sa isip ko. Gusto mo ang batang ito. Gusto mo rin ako.
Yes.
Gusto mo rin si Elsa. Kahit masakit. Totoong tao ka. Totoo lang sinasabi mo. Ano ba ako? I'm also selfish. I want you. I I also want this child.
1985 Beloved with Nora Honor and Christopher De Leon.
Many sub-companies. We manufacture, we trade. This is the top-notcher among all top-notchers. In short, alpha leads. Alam ba yung kumpanya na si Dean Tuason? It's a poor fifth in the list. Ba't ka na to? Hindi ako nagyayabang. Sasabi lang ako ng totoo. Well, what can I do for you?
Ver, kailangan ko ng trabaho.
Makikita ng buong mundo ang dokumento at retratong yan. Everything against you, Rennie. At ang affidavit ni Greg De Castro. Ang iyong houseboy na inutusan mong kunin ng bote ng lason. Ang lahat ng mga original yan. Everything including negatives of the photographs. Kasama ng aking last will and testament to be open after my death. Dudurugin ka ni Dindo. Sapagkat pinahamak mo ang isang babaeng pinakamamahal niya. Alam mo ba yun?
And his last film appearance in 1987 movie Alabok sa Ulap with Dina Bonnevie.
Sit down, please.
Hi,
Anong drinks mo?
mamaya na.
Small world.
Small world, Mr. Montilla. Chris, ang akala ko hindi mo na ako makikilala.
Kamuntik na.
In 1984, Fernando ran for Batasan seat as assemblyman for Pasig Marikina District with running mate Danny Floro under KBL, but lost to Bobit Sanchez and Emelito de la Paz of Laban candidates. In August 1987, Fernando died as a result of fatal heart attack. He was just 46. In the next episode, we will post the video of the continuation of our visit of Manila Memorial Park and Manila North Cemetery grave tours. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Santuario de San Antonio and Libingan ng mga Bayani in Taguig. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe button if you like this video. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.